I was good with child niggas. You feel me? Starting off this motherfucking reaction channel, Chainsaw Man, episode number motherfucking 7. Last episode, you feel me? My nigga Denji came up with the demon plan. You feel me? That nigga said, alright, listen, you all some motherfucking bitch ass niggas. You feel me? You trying to sell me out? Say less! I'm gonna go take care of this demon. Kobeni, you fucking stupid crying ass bitch. You feel me? I'm about to go take care of this, but you better give me my kiss. That was Denji's energy, right? And that nigga jumped into the eternity devil. My nigga's master plan, I'm gonna make that nigga wish he killed himself, bruh. Chainsaw Man episode 7. That's what the fuck we here for, bruh. Let's get straight to it. Hey yo, bro, why is my nigga Denji spazzing, bruh? But do you understand? Wait, no. Did you see? Do you understand who you are fucking with, bruv? The Chainsaw Man. But these niggas don't know, bro. I apologize. These niggas don't know. They clearly don't. They didn't know. Is he not a demon? Is he lick the blood? Your pain me. I ain't saying shit.
頭のネジがぶっ飛んでるやつだ。サハラはまともだったな。だから死んだ。木之内もまとも。
So you have to be some crazy ass motherfucker to do this shit.
まともだから悪魔の
I see that.
怖がっちまう。恐怖が悪魔の力になるからな。一緒に仕事してみて飽きなやつはどうだ。まともか。
銃野郎を殺そうとしてる人がまともなわけないじゃないですか。
お前も銃野郎を殺したくて公安に入ったんだろう。その頭のネジはぶっ飛んでいるか。
ぶっ飛んでません。
そう。お前もだがな、銃野郎をぶっ殺したいなんて大体のデビルハンターが思ってる。素直でまっすぐ単純。だから悪魔の奴らもどうすりゃ怖がるか分かっちまう。
Shit.
だが、ネジがぶっ飛んでる奴は何を考えてるか分からない。悪魔も理解できんもんは怖がるもんだ。
Listen, bruh. Listen, they be saying the same shit in Jujutsu Kaisen. I don't know who knows. I'm just saying, bruh. Only the niggas with demon level self confidence can take care of this shit, bruh. You can't be a normal nigga and fuck with these monsters, bruh. For real, bruh. That nigga Denji is crazy.
酒飲みすぎですよ。
はい、それまとも。日々の積み重ねがネジを緩めんだ。
かなりいい額でお誘い来てるんだ。銃野郎なんて追わなくてもさ、お昼はここかどっかで食べて、帰りはたまに映画行って、そういう毎日でいいじゃん。
飲みならいくらでも付き合います。でも民間には絶対行きませんよ。杏仁豆腐もらいます。
じゃあタバコ一本おくれ。銃の悪魔と戦ったら絶対ヤキ君は殺される。私たちがまだ実力不足だからでも、相手が一瞬で何百人も殺せる悪魔だからでもない。だってヤキ君はかっこよくて真面目で優しくて、みんなみたいに普通の人だから。
Listen, bro, I don't know what just happened, but I have to say very quickly, she has to get off my man's dick. Isn't she like his thing? Bro, I'm not last episode even, bro. Those niggas look like they need to fuck. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Denji needs to fuck. Everyone in the show just needs to fuck so that we can get rid of the horny vibe and start getting straight into the... Actually, I'm not complaining, bro. Makima, you can do whatever you want, baby. Whatever you want. But I'm not complaining. Hey?
ひらめいたぜ。てめえが俺に して俺がてめえの血飲んで回復か。永久期間が完成しちまったね。これでノーベル賞は俺もんだぜ。
Go for it, my nigga. Yes, sir.
この最高にネジがぶっ飛んでる男なら獣野郎を殺せるかもしれない。
Hey, shout out to all my crazy niggas, you feel me? Listen, Denji deserves his smooch. He deserves his smooch. If you tried to kill man, he deserves French kiss. Bro, give him everything you have, bruh. Everything. She might have to take the panties off too, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
まだ生きてる。
どのくらい
Shit, it's over?
どのくらい経ちましたか。
あれから3日くらいかな。じゃあこうみんなで酒飲みに行こう。終わったから。
What the fuck did I say, bruh? Listen, what the fuck did I say? Bro, every bitch in this show is very much so ready to smash. Bro, why you sleep? God, my nigga, I'll keep, man.
ちょっとやめろ。
終わった。
My nigga Aki, bro. Let's swap places, bro. I don't know what, bro. Let's swap places. Actually, now you can keep eye patch, bitch, bro. You feel me? We only love Makima out here.
もう終わるのか。プール入ってるみてえで気持ちよかったのにな。
Hey, listen, I wish we saw the bitch cry just a little bit more, but my nigga Denji did it. My nigga Denji did it.
出れた。
Fuck Kobeni. I'm just saying, fuck Kobeni.
人歓迎会。
But anybody with that Usopp energy in anime just fucking pisses me off, bro.
4課全員集まったことないしさ。親睦を深めつつ今抱えている問題をなくしましょうよ。
問題？
それがさ、小紅ちゃんと新井くんが公安やめるっつってんだよね。悪魔が怖くなっただけじゃなくデンジ君を殺そうとしちゃって悔いてるんだろうけど。
姫野先輩も殺そうとしてたじゃないですか。
ねえ、そんくらいでやめちゃうんだわ今の子は。ずうずうしく行きましょうよね。飲みの場ならささっとデンジ君に謝れるし小紅ちゃんたちを引き止められるでしょ。
あんた飲みたいだけでしょ。小さいけど肉片ありました。飲むんなら絶対に今週ですね。
ん？なんで？
どうせ飲むなら牧間さんと飲みたい。来週から牧間さん京都出張。デンジが悪魔に狙われた件で応援求めに行くらしいです。だから飲むなら今週がいい。
正直さ、デンジ君って何者だと思う？相手の悪魔がデンジ君のこと知ってたみたいだし。
Yo, I was thinking the same shit, bro. Bro, I bet you but the Chainsaw Devil has to be like one of the most important devils. But did I speak right? But the Chainsaw Devil has to be one of the most important devils. Like G shit. Because Denji is the protagonist, bruh. You feel me? Like there's always, you feel me? Like Ichigo has white and all that shit, you feel me? Naruto has Kurama, you feel me? Ichigo, bruh, not Ichigo. Itadori has Sukuna type shit. I feel like Chainsaw Man or Chainsaw Devil or whatever the fuck, that nigga has to be up there, bruh. Because that nigga was terrified, bruh. Denji even called it out last episode 2 type shit. Denji was like, hey, bruh, that nigga is hoeing over these chainsaws. You feel me? So I don't know, bruh. Chainsaw Devil might be OP as fuck in his final form, bruh. You already know he has transformations. Yes, sir. Hey. My boy better get his fucking kiss, bruh. She needs to give, bro. I'm telling you, bro. She needs to go slide the panties. An extra apology for trying to kill my G. You feel me? She hooked him up. I won't lie. Gave him that chainsaw pull assist. You feel me? Pulled that fucking string out of his chest. He still needs to get the panties. He needs to get something extra for all his efforts. You can fuck off, bruh. I can't lie.
コベちゃん、コベちゃん、こっちおいで。マキマさん遅れてくるって。
Fucking bitch.
私は荒井宏和です。22歳。
Shut the... Bruh, you should have no screen time. Nothing. Don't care. 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 No, don't care. Don't care. Bro, get her off my screen, bruh.
フシさんとこの新人は？
残念ですが昨日亡くなりました。
私の同期ももう公安にいないし。デンジ君は私とキスしたいから。
Yes, sir. Hey, bro. Wait. Was that the bunda? Wait. Oh, that was the bunda you saw, bro. On that left side, you saw that bunda. You feel me? Bounce up just a little for my nigga Denji. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ここにいる新人以外みんな姫野にキスされてるよ。逃げられねえからな。
She's kissed everyone? The extra art.
キス？マキマさん。すいません。生一つ。
Hey, no, she better not cock block. She better not cock block. Hey, bro, get the fuck out of here, bro. I get the point, bro. This needs to be faster. Hey, bro, Makima, bro, what you doing? Hey, Denji, don't forget your kiss, bro. Not for Makima. Actually, no, for Makima. We'd do anything for Makima. That's right, that's right.
Makima-san, ここにどうぞ。
本物のマキマさん初めて見た。デンジ君、誰かとキスするの？
しません。
デンジ君キスしないの？
しまーす。
My nigga.
すいません。生もう一つ。それでキスって。
Be smooth, Denji, bruh. You gotta be smooth, bruh.
チーブしないの？
Be smooth, Denji. You have to do this for all us, bruh. All of us, Denji. We're all relying on you, Denji. Don't fuck this up. Yes, sir, Denji. Yes, sir, Denji. Yes, sir. W distraction, W distraction. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. W Denji. W Denji, bruh.
すいません。生もう一つ。
God damn.
でもすごいよパワちゃん。殺人衝動を抑えられてる魔人はとっても少ないんだよ。
私は IQ が高いからね。
IQ で決まるの？そういうの。IQ どのくらいあるの？ 100？ 100って高いの？私も確か100ぐらいだったけど。
じゃあ120じゃ。
フシさんは高いんだよね、確か。
134でした。
God damn.
覚えてるあたり自慢に思ってそう。
Bruh.
わしは確か500じゃったか。1000。
Capping. Whoa. Oh shit. Hey yo.
マキマさんに見られた。
Yeah.
この感触が
Ah.
気持ちいい。柔らかい。
Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. My nigga Denji got the dub. My nigga Denji got the dub. My nigga Denji. What the fuck?
トラウマだなこりゃ。
あら。すいません。何か拭くものを。まずいぞ。これはまずいぞ。
Bro, did this bitch just... Yo, bro, did this bitch just puke it? Bro, she just puked in my nigga mouth, bro. Bro, I'm ending the episode, but I might have to end the reaction.
デンジは口に入れた栄養になればもう飲み込む癖があるんだ。
That nigga swallowed that shit too?
これクラス
But that was disgusting.
ちだ。ネズミが酔っ払いのゲロに集まってら。ゲロ食うなんて信じられねえよな。同じ哺乳類として情けねえぜ。
姫の先輩には自制心が足りないんだ。
Oh man. My nigga was winning for 5 seconds too,
バカする
bruh.
の前だろ。仕事帰りの酔った母さんをよく介抱してたんだ。
ね。
あれ、デンジ君は？
デンジ君なら姫の先輩が背負って連れて行きましたよ。
Wasn't I saying she needed to give him everything?
どこだここ。
Bruh, you know, next week I need my face cam. That was so fucking disgusting.
ゲロ女にゲロキスされたんだ。ちくしゃー。水。
No. Hey, yo, bro, who's making this show, bruh?
デンジ君、なんで私ん家にいんの？私が連れてきたんだっけ？んで？
クラクラする。なんじゃこりゃ。
Bruh,
そういや、
I feel like I shouldn't be watching this.
マキマさんのことラブでしょ。
クラクラする。
あんなクソ女やめときゃいいのに。もう、アキくんもあんな照れちゃってさ。もう牛。
I swear to God, bruh.
しちゃう。
Oh my God. Is there anything? Bruh, I don't know how to feel, bruh. Wait, how much battery I have? So, bruh, 5%. I can talk 5% worth of shit. Bruh, I thought, bruh, I'm speechless, bro. Bruh, I was saying he deserved everything for what he did. You feel me? But that bitch really puked in my nigga's mouth. I ain't gonna lie though, most of y'all niggas is taking that shit back, bruh. I might have to pass that over to the white community on some, you know what I'm saying, TikTok shit, bruh. Fuck no. Hey, bro, but this show ain't playing, bro. You know, like, most anime, normally they kind of tease you. You know, they're like, oh, this might happen, and then it never does. Some cock block shit happens, bro. But this bitch was on my nigga's dick. Where's that scene, bro? Bro, I don't know. YouTube, bro, you can't cancel me, but I'm new to YouTube. See? Bro, look at her, bro. She's on my man's shit. But I already know Pachita, you know what I'm saying? Pachita already, you know what I'm saying? Got that dog in him, bro. Yo, bro, my nigga Denji 16, bro. She kind of moving zesty. A little mad, you feel me? Some cougar energy right here. But you know what, W Denji. You know, Denji, you can take the dub. You can take the dub. But we here might have to kindly pass over Himeno, bro. Makima for life.